Hello, this is Tony Heller from visitech.ai. This is a short tutorial showing how to use the website to analyze stock prices. The first step is to go to app.visitech.ai. This is what the website will look like if you are a paid subscriber. Now I'm going to request a stock price by clicking on the green microphone button, telling the computer what I want, and then pressing the Submit Query button. NVIDIA stock price. And this is what comes up. It shows the stock price for the past 10 years and the trading volume down here. NVIDIA took a big drop today. So let's zoom in on the dates of interest by right-clicking and dragging a rectangle. Now let's zoom in a little bit further on the past few months. What we're seeing is a candlestick chart of the stock price on top and the volume data at bottom. I zoomed in a little bit too far vertically, so let's fix that. I'm going to press the V key on the keyboard and turn the scroll wheel on the mouse. By hovering over the points on the graph, we can see what the stock price was. Yesterday it was $142.62. Today was much lower at $118.42. And you can see from the bar chart at the bottom that the volume was very high today. The reason for the drop today is that Chinese DeepSeek AI said they're not using NVIDIA processors. But Alexander Wang says that they are using NVIDIA processors and just can't talk about it. So depending on whose story you believe, you can make a guess about what NVIDIA is going to do tomorrow. Let's zoom out by hitting the Reset Zoom button so we can see the entire past 10 years. Now let's zoom in on another high volume day, as we can see from the bar chart at the bottom. Let's zoom in a little bit further by right-clicking and dragging. We can move the graph up and down or left and right by left-clicking and dragging with the mouse. On May 24, 2023, NVIDIA stock took a big jump from $30.54 up to $37.98. And you can see that the volume was very high that day. Now let's reset the zoom and add some other stocks. Tesla stock price. Apple stock price. Microsoft stock price. You can add as many stocks as you want. There's no practical limit, but eventually the screen's going to get too cluttered. By hovering over the name of the stock on the right side, it will get highlighted in red. This is NVIDIA, Tesla, Apple, and Microsoft. And we can, of course, zoom in on any area we're interested in by right-clicking and dragging. Now let's reset the zoom and tell it to plot percent gain. Percent gain. You can see that the percent gain from NVIDIA over the past 10 years is much higher than the other stocks. The percent gain from Tesla, Apple, and Microsoft are much lower. If you are a paid subscriber and there's any other features you're interested in seeing, you can come over here to the right side, click on this, and click on Feature Requests. Now you can enter a new feature request. If it's a good idea and we have time, we will put it in as quickly as possible. The possibilities for this tool are seemingly limitless. If you have a good idea, please let us know at app.visitech.ai.